How to fix Amazon Prime error code 5001 and 1061 error. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply turn off your TV, then disconnect the power cords from both your Fire TV stick and internet modem router for a couple of minutes, then reconnect. Then wait a bit and then turn on the TV and check. If needed, use your Fire Stick to go to Home, then Settings, then My Fire TV, then go to the About section and then simply select Restart. Now, if it still does not work, you're gonna have to go to the Home page, then go to Settings, then go to Applications, and then go to Manage Installed Applications, select Prime Video, and then simply clear the data. So basically that's it. Thanks for watching.